Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you kind of an easy any card, any number effect just using a regular deck of cards. So you have your deck of cards well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator select any card that they like. It is a true and free selection. Let's just assume that they pick this card right here. They look at it, don't show you. You take their card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. You have no idea where it is, but because you're a magician, you probably do. Give the cards a few shuffles, completely losing the location of their card. Now, you're going to show that the spectator that the card is actually lost in the middle of the deck somewhere, okay? So it's not on the bottom, and it's not even on the top, okay? That's the forward heart. So now what you're going to do is flip over a certain amount of cards, and let's say the spectator, you can have the spectator tell you when to stop as you're flipping over the cards, or you can have the spectator give you any number that they want. Let's say they give you a number, ask them for a number between like 5 and 30. So let's just say they said 12, okay? So you're gonna say this is number 1, and then we'll flip over 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cards because they said 12. Now let's just recap. They picked any card that they want. They said any number that they wanted. They said 12. We counted over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cards. This would be the 12th one. What was the card they picked? Was it the 3 of diamonds? And that's flip. And it's an easy any card, any number effect that you can do. Now, before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for supporting this channel. And if you're looking to become a channel member and supporting the channel through YouTube that way, you can do that all in the links given in YouTube below. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. All right, now flip the tutorial. Really simple to do. As long as you can control the card to the top of the deck and then control it to the second card from the top of the deck, you're pretty much golden on this trick. So you do have, it's a regular deck of cards. There's no setup, nothing. So you have a spectator select any card that they like. Let's say they pick that card. You control that card to the top of the deck and use any method that you like. And so I'll just show you what I did. The easiest way is to take their card, put it about halfway down, push it in, and then on the last push down with your thumb, push the card in, and then maintain a break with your pinky so their card is on top of this bottom stack right here. So this is the top stack, this is the bottom stack. Their card is on top of this bottom stack here. Now, once you have that done with the break, just cut half of the top stack, place it on the table, cut at the break, place that on the table, and then place the remaining cards on top of those 2 stacks. And now you have their selected card on the top of the deck. Shuffle as many times as you like, as long as you maintain their card on the top. So you shuffle that one last, but then one time you're gonna shuffle, you're gonna add 1 card to the top card. So you can shuffle, and then the last time when you're adding the card, shuffle these cards with their card on the top, and then just add 1 card by shuffling this 1 card last. And then when you do that, now you have their card second from the top. So this is any card, this is their selected card. Show the spectators that their card is not on the bottom, and then flip over 1 card, and then with your thumb, just flick down 1 card. If you flick down 2 cards, 3 cards, it doesn't matter because you just want this card, their selected card, to be on the bottom of this face-up card. So ideally, you just want to flick down 1 card, place this card face up on top of that, and then get a double. So this is 2 cards, and then just place it back a little bit on top of the deck. Just as you flipped over the cards. Now you can ask the spectator, to tell you when to stop as you flip over the cards, and they can stop you at any point in time, or you can ask them for a number and say between 5 and 20. You don't want them to say 2 because that makes it a little bit suspicious. So let's just say they gave you the number 9. So then you'll count over, you'll say this is 1, then you'll just flip these cards over, okay, because you have, this is 2, remember, their cards underneath this 6 of clubs. Flip these cards over, and if you're worried about losing this break or this card coming loose, you can flip these cards over to hide that. Okay, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then since they said 9, you just count over 8 cards, square all of these up, recap what you did, okay, and then count out, you said the number was 9, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This would have been the 9th card. And then what was your card that you picked? Was it the King of Diamonds? This was the 6 of Clubs, which was the first card, so it doesn't look too suspicious that their card would be below the first card that you turned over, and that's their selected card, and it's a completely regular deck of cards, okay? And that's flip, and it's an easy, any card, any number effect. It's not really difficult to do. All you gotta do is control the card. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I respond to the comments. I appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I really appreciate that too, and I'll see you next time.